Can you change Instagram notification sound on iPhone? In order for you to figure it out, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into your application Instagram. Enter a login credential and make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you are in this page, move into your profile at the bottom right corner. Click on this three horizontal line at the top right corner of the screen. Now inside settings, search for notification and then move into it. In this page, you can see there is no any option or the feature where you can change the notification sound on iPhone. So let's try moving into the settings of a device. Head over to settings, scroll down and then head over to notifications. Once again scroll down and then head over to Instagram. Turn the notifications on. Also in this page, there is no any option to change the notification sound, which means that it is impossible to change the sound of the notification on Instagram on iPhone. All you want to do is wait for the Instagram to update this feature and then only you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.